Three questions.
Who is Adam Sandler? How? He is an actor.
Good,
Yes.
1 point. Second.
No podem fer un...
Va,
És que he de pensar quina més. What is the pirita?
What is pirita?
It is rolling.
Rolling?
No, it's a mineral.
It's a mineral.
Who is Danny Williams?
Huh?
Who is Danny Williams?
Yeah. An actor of How I Think of Them.
1 point for Guillem. Very good. Albert.
És que estic mirant.
Armand.
Who is Michelle Obama?
Armand?
He's a president.
No, Meg.
No.
Meg. No key.
Michelle Obama. Martino. She is a
President.
president of United States.
Meg.
La dona, la dona.
She is the wife of the president of United States.
1 point. Very good. Armand, vés-les buscant.
Where is Bucharest?
Where is Bucharest?
És un mira.
Bucanero.
The capital of Romania.
1 point.
1 point.
2 points. Very good.
Spain, 1 point.
1 point.
Armand.
Which is the most expensive card in the world? Yeah. Tramontana. No.
Very expensive.
Albert.
What is the toilet?
Sorry. No he enterat què passa. What's the
Pots
question?
repetir la pregunta?
What's the question?
Which is the most expensive card in the world? Is Bentley? Lamborghini? No.
Ferrari.
Ferrari, 1 point for
1
Axel.
point.
What is the toilet Catalan
Tallest.
tallest Catalan mountain? Chris Albert?
Which is the tallest Catalan mountain? Tallest.
Mont Blanc. It's Mont Blanc?
Català.
Mountain.
Everest? Com es diu la muntanya? Sí, home.
Català.
Meg.
No.
Puiggesquer? Puiggesquer. Puigneulós. Yes.
No.
Aneto.
Meg.
No. La neta és la més alta del Pirineu. És la pica d'estats, no? Pica d'estats.
Pica d'estats.
Listen, that very good, big applause. Who's the winner?
Encara pitjor.
Can you explain what have you been doing? Podeu explicar el que heu fet with this role?
Hem fet primer
Hem pensat unes preguntes.
en anglès.
Hem pensat unes preguntes i hem retallat unes cartolines per distingir cada... o sigui, els articles i tot això.
I
Cada
després
preguntat quines opcions hi ha per començar les preguntes.
Why, what, where, which, when, who.
I per què creieu que us serveix això? Per aprendre què?
Per aprendre a comentar preguntes.
Per aprendre a fer
I
preguntes,
els pronoms
Verb to be, singular i plural.
són el var i el is.
Us ho podeu acostar, els tres? Molt bé.
Big applause!